Hey friends, this is your exit ticket for this lesson, lesson 23. So I'm going to read the problem to you. Please remember to make sure that you draw a picture and you write a number sentence to match the problem, okay? Make sure if you need it reread to you again that you pause it and just rewind and then play it again, okay? Here we go, friends. Shanika ate 7 mini pretzels in the morning. She ate the rest of her mini pretzels in the afternoon. She ate 13 mini pretzels altogether that day. How many mini pretzels did Shanika eat in the afternoon? So friends, remember, for this exit ticket, you can use whichever strategy you want. If you want to use subtraction, use subtraction. If you want to use addition, use addition. And again, if you need the problem reread to you, just send it back to the front and listen to it again, okay? Once you are done, it goes on the back table, and you may work on your power-up. Bye, friends.